Hello and welcome to another video where we will share with you a website that pays you to listen to songs. The best thing is, it's quick, straightforward, and can be completed from the comfort of your own home. We will walk you through the whole process, including payment choices and features. And if you want more useful ideas and techniques like these, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Let's begin. This is an amazing opportunity that will pay you for something you already enjoy doing: listening to music. The idea is simple. You sign up for a website that pays you $2 for each song you listen to. That's correct. All you have to do is listen to music and you will be rewarded with cash. It's a simple and enjoyable way to earn money, and best of all, you may do so from the comfort of your own home. It may appear to be too good to be true, but it isn't. There are websites that compensate you for listening to music. The website Slice the Pie is one of those. Slice the Pie is a music sharing website that links musicians with music fans like you. The platform allows you to listen to new and upcoming songs while also earning money. For each song you listen to and review, you can earn up to $2. To get started, you must create a free account on Slice the Pie. The enrollment procedure is short and simple, and you may begin earning money right away. After creating an account, you can browse the platform's music collection and pick one to listen to and evaluate. You must attentively listen to the music and offer honest opinions on many parts of it, such as the melody, lyrics, and production quality. It's important to offer specific criticism that might assist musicians in improving their music. Slice the Pie will examine your feedback once you submit it to ensure that it follows their criteria. You will be paid via PayPal after your review has been accepted. The payout amount is determined by several variables, including the quality of your rating and the duration of the music. When it comes to earning money via Slice the Pie, collecting your payout is a critical step. Fortunately, the platform provides a simple and convenient method to receive your earnings: PayPal. It's necessary to have a confirmed PayPal account in order to receive money from Slice the Pie. This procedure is straightforward and may be performed in a matter of minutes. To create an account, simply go to the PayPal website and follow the steps. After your account has been verified, you can link it to your Slice the Pie account. You can request payment through your Slice the Pie account after you've earned enough money to fulfill the minimum payout level. The minimum payout threshold is the amount of money that you must earn before requesting payment. This level is relatively low on Slice the Pie, which means that if you use the site frequently, you can meet it soon. Following your payment request, the funds will be transferred to your PayPal account within a few business days. Once the funds are in your PayPal account, you can withdraw them to your bank account or use them to make online purchases. PayPal's adaptability makes it a popular choice among freelancers and online earners, since it provides a quick and safe means to accept money from all around the world. It's very important to note that in order to continue receiving payments, you must have your PayPal account in good standing. This means you should maintain your account information up to date and be aware of any account limits or limitations. By adhering to PayPal's requirements, you can guarantee that your account is in good standing and that you may continue to accept payments from Slice the Pie without any issue. But before you dive in head first, we want to provide some tips and tricks to help you maximize your earnings. Before anything else, it is of the utmost importance to be truthful in your evaluations. Remember that artists value your comments and rely on it to develop their music. So, be truthful and constructive in your criticism. If you fail to enjoy something about the music, explain why and make recommendations for improvement. Second, pay close attention to the particulars. Pay close attention to the words, melody, and production quality while you listen to the music. Your comments will be more beneficial to the artist if it's more precise, so go slowly and avoid hurrying through the review process. Third, write thorough evaluations. The more thorough your analysis, the better. Include detailed feedback on what you liked and what could be improved. Try not to be hesitant to make ideas, but keep them helpful rather than criticizing. Finally, finish as many reviews as possible. The more songs you evaluate, the more money you will be able to earn. So make it a habit to check the platform on a regular basis for new songs to review. You might also want to create a daily or weekly goal for yourself to stay motivated and on track. Here are some other things you should know about Slice the Pie. 1. Quality matters. You should attempt to give precise, constructive, and useful comments to guarantee that your reviews are of high quality. Avoid making generic remarks or duplicating criticism from prior reviews. Musicians want to hear your genuine thoughts and ideas, not a canned reaction that might apply to any music. If you're having trouble coming up with original input, take a break and return to the music later with fresh ears. Different genres. Choosing a genre you love listening to might make reviewing more pleasurable and interesting. When you enjoy music, you're more likely to pay attention and offer comprehensive comments. If you select a genre you dislike, you might find it more difficult to focus on the music and offer relevant criticism. Slice the Pie has a referral program that might be a great way to make additional money on the site. You can get a commission for each new user you recommend to the site by using your unique referral link. If you have friends who want to earn money by listening to music, sharing your referral link with them might be a simple way to make additional money. You will receive a commission on their profits for the first 60 days after they sign up using your link. This implies that the more individuals you recommend, the more money you make. To take advantage of the referral program, start by sharing your unique referral link with your friends and family via social media, email, or other communication methods. If you have a blog or website, you may also market your referral link there. It's extremely important that your referrals join up through your link or you won't earn the commission. Keep in mind that Slice the Pie has some referral commission restrictions. You cannot, for example, receive a commission by suggesting someone who lives in the same home as you. Furthermore, Slice the Pie reserves the right to change or cancel the referral program at any time, so be sure to review the terms and conditions on a regular basis. Slice the Pie provides a novel and fun approach to make money simply by listening to music and expressing your honest thoughts. It's a win-win situation for music listeners and performers trying to advance their careers. So, why not give it a shot and make money while finding new and intriguing music? Just remember to be honest, thorough, and attentive in your assessments and you will be well on your way to increasing your profits. Who knew earning money could be as simple as pushing the play button? And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video to be beneficial and interesting. Remember, this is only one of many methods to generate money online. And if you're interested in learning more, you can check out our other videos. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and ideas on how to expand your online presence and turn your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around and we will see you in the next one.